Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to tell you one of the most used application right now, which I install in my device. So, which is the pop-up video player. So right now you can see friends, I am playing three videos simultaneously at same time using this pop-up video player. So recently I started to make videos on the Android applications as well. So this is a video which is one of them, and you can check the links in description for the playlist. So usually we won't watch two videos at same time, but still this application is pretty good. So you can watch up to three videos or even more. If you want to change the settings, you can do that. So you can use any application by watching the videos. For example, texting your friends and watching the video songs, even you can do like that. So which is very good application, pop-up video player application. So even you can resize the application and you can increase or decrease the screen size, as you can see friends. So definitely in the future I'll be making another video how you can do the YouTube videos, how to minimize the YouTube videos. So another applications like that in the future videos. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel friends. So this is an application which I downloaded from the Play Store. So you can check the links in description if you want to download the application. So once you allow all the permissions to overlap, then it will play the video in the pop-up mode. So you can select any song or any video song or any movie that you want to play, and which is very smooth. There is no lag or delay at all. So that is a main advantage with this application, which is very smooth and no lag, no delay. So you can even decrease or increase the volume for each song individually. If you want to do, you can do like that. And for more future interesting videos, subscribe to my channel friends. And this is an app which if you want to, you can download from Play Store. I'll leave the links in the description for this application. So that's it for this video guys, and for more videos subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video friends. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.